On Saturday, April 22, 2023, a violent tornado and thundercloud hit the Jakalan Bani Buali Wilayat in South Al Sharqiyah Governorate. As a rare meteorological phenomenon in the airspace of the Sultanate this afternoon, a kind of tornado occurred accompanied by large thunderclouds in Wilayat Jakalan Bani Buali, Oman Meteorology said in a statement. In its alert for the day, the Civil Aviation Authority, CAA, has stated that Al Sharqiyah, South Al Sharqiyah North, and parts of Muscat, Al Dakhiliyah and Al Wusta provinces are expected to experience heavy thunderstorms which may range from 20 millimeters to 75 millimeters. The CAA has added that the expected impacts of the rainfall are heavy rainfall expected to range between 20–75 millimeters could cause flash flooding in the wadis.